Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to do prompting properly on infographic on Notebook LM. So here my own Notebook LM that I have a strategy for something of my business, and then I want to create 10 next actions on my infographic. So I could share to my team directly and precisely and concisely. So first of all, you just chat on the chat room. I mean the chat box on the Notebook LM. Just ask the Notebook LM, give me. This is the example. Give me 10 next action for this. I mean for this strategy. Okay. Wait for a while, and then while it's processing and generating, you can click this Ask Gemini. So the concept is, instead of using your own words to make a prompt, you can ask Gemini to make the prompt, so you can do it one shot and no need to iterate. So it's directly create the infographic as you wish. So here you just check the response from the chat, and let's say you already convinced and you already agree with that. You just go to the Gemini and then just ask like, please check the latest response from Notebook LM. Write me write me a prompt to generate it in infographic of Notebook LM Studio. That is very simple. Just wait, and then later Gemini will tailor you the prompt, and then you just copy and paste the prompt into the infographic. So this is the smart way how to prompting in this era, in this AI era. So instead of using your own words, you can use the prompt, design prompt using the another AI. So just copy the prompt and then copy it and then go to the infographic. Make sure you click this arrow, and then this window will be open, and then paste the prompt. And then the other thing, you can paste on your preference, like detail, concept, and so just click generate. So that's it. That's how to smartly prompting on Notebook LM infographic. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.